This is the...
I don't want to be seen because the mirror's right there.
It doesn't matter about the mirror. I'm just saying, look what I got. This is made in China. I got a new toilet paper holder slash shelf with stainless steel. Let's open this up. Shelf with tissue holder. This is how you know it's amateur hour. All right. Let's open this up. So they give you some screws, some mounting hardware, which I probably won't use all of it, but let's see. Comes in this cool little bag. Let's open up this bag.
It's like a dust bag.
A dust bag or whatever, yeah.
Yeah, like a dust bag.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Obviously it's not fingerprint resistant, but you can see all the fingerprints already.
Finish.
But it's got a mirror finish, as you can see. So it goes on there and mounts just like that. Alright. Alright, so let's check where we're going to install it, right? Let me get that. Hopefully we didn't get that. Alright, so our plan is to install it in the bathroom on this little panel right here, alright? So let's get that installed real quick. Let's see how easy it is to install it. Can you see like that? No, of course not. Of course stuff's not easy. Alright, let's get that right there. We want to install it right there. Here's our plan. Alright, so how high are we putting this thing up? Where's the marker?
Remember, it's a shelf, so you want
Where's the marker?
It has to be because I didn't touch it. Maybe you got pens and pencils, so maybe you thought it was a pencil.
Alright, let's do it. So where's let's get a thing. Let's put it on. Right? Like this.
Put your phone on it or something.
Let me put my phone on it. I just want to know how tall it is for the toilet paper, how tall it is. Is that tall enough?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. I would line it up right to this door right here.
Line it up to the door
You
right
see?
there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And this doesn't interfere with it, with the lid?
With the lid?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. That's pretty far away.
Okay.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Now this is how we level it here. With no level at all. Alright. Let's get that installed. See what it feels like. Let's get the drill. Where's the drill? We got the drill right here. Alright. You're gonna want to use a level other than what I did, but put a level right on top of the shelf and level it in. Let me see. Okay. All right. That's what it feels like. That's what it looks like. Let me see. Wait. Yeah, it'd be easier if this toilet paper wasn't all messed up. Alright, so that's how it goes. That's it. That's what you're looking at. That's the shelf I bought off Amazon. Stainless steel shelf. Seems pretty secure. Made to put your phone on there. Have the toilet paper right below. Seems pretty strong. I put in this cabinet instead of the tile because I didn't feel like drilling into the tile and damaging that. It's easier damaging this instead. So I did that. And yeah. So that's what you're looking at. Alright. That's a review on that and what it looks like and how I installed it. Just so you can see how strong it is. It seems pretty strong. I mean, I'm trying to bend it right now and it seems very, very strong. So definitely worth the $5 I paid. Alright. Alright. Thanks for watching.